Ollie, what's in there?
Oh, look, I'm clean.
Help him open it, otherwise my battery will run out before he opens it. What's in here, Ollie?
Now, Ollie, now open it. Now let him do it.
Oh, what's inside? I wonder. What could it be? Let him find out himself what's inside.
Let him do it, Finn.
Oh.
Look. Oh. Now rip this off. Hold this and rip it. Rip.
What's in there?
What is that? What's that? Wow. Logging truck. What? What's that? Don't open it. Open it.
Wow.
I'm going to get the scissors, Ollie.
Daddy, baby,
What do you think about that?
What's that,
Can you say
Ollie?
thank you, Mummy and Daddy? Nothing touch. Nothing touch. Nothing touch. Nothing touch. Wow.
Wow.
Leave the lights there.
I'm just going
Leave the lights. Leave the lights.
Wow. Logging truck. Say thank you, Mummy and Daddy. Say thank you. Look at Mummy and say thank you. Now look at
He says,
and say thank
look,
you.
Alma, just let him play with it.
Look at him and say thank you.
Is that a nice truck, Ollie? Wow, a lovely
What's in
nogging
these?
truck.